This kind of space is fantastic for business students because we can network here. We work really closely with businesses and organisations with live projects and challenges for our students. So having this opportunity to network, to attend events and to meet potentially future employers is really valuable.
These areas will benefit myself in a couple of ways. So firstly, they provide a real dedicated space for students like myself. We've got a space to call our own that we can use for studying, for networking, for loads of different opportunities. So I think that's going to be our main benefit, but it's also kind of a nice place to go and sit and relax and feel part of the school, part of the community. That's the main benefit for us.